So welcome back to Martin Woodworking. Today we're going to be doing some firewood bundles. We've got the bundler from Wolfe. Mike Morgan from Outdoors with the Morgans dropped this off for us to try out. So we're going to give it a shot today. I did buy some bags from Chris at Wolfe. I thought it was really cool that they would sell the bags even though we haven't purchased the bundler yet. They have a really good price on the bags. Pretty competitive with what you would find on Amazon and other websites. So we're going to get into it because we got to beat the rain. They're now calling for some rain this afternoon. So we only have the one basket behind us, and let me show you how we got this set up. So I got the basket staged with the bundler right beside it. Obviously just go from one to the other. And so we're going to go right into our cart, and we'll take this down to our barn where we store these things outside of the weather. So I'll get the bags brought over, and then we're going to go ahead and just get right into it.
Every day we are making up something new. I don't need a thing now, as long as I have you. Oh, the look in your eyes got me feeling alive, the good life. Oh, the touch of your skin, we can only win, yeah, that's right. We can live forever, you and I. Keep on driving till the sunrise. We're gonna be alright, just right. I know that we can make it, reach out and take it. We're gonna be alright, just fine. I know that we can make it, reach out and take it, girl, we're gonna be alright. Take another chance on me till we're old and wrinkly. You don't need a thing now, as long as you have me. Oh, the look in your eyes got me feeling alive, the good life. Oh, the touch of your skin, we can only win, yeah, that's right. We can live forever, you and I. Keep on driving till the sunrise. We're gonna be alright, just right. I know that we can make it, reach out and take it. We're gonna be alright, just fine. I know that we can make it, reach out and take it, girl, we're gonna be alright.
So let's take a minute and talk about this. So these buckets come in 3 sizes. This is 1 cubic foot. You see most people carrying this size of a bundle on Facebook Marketplace, and they offer 2 different sizes, 1.25 and then 0.75. Now obviously 0.75, you're going to really stretch out your cord a lot further, especially if you charge the same price. Just really depends on what your market is doing in your area. But I thought that's a really nice touch. I really like the balance on this thing. So, and you could tighten up the nut over here if you want to keep it just a little bit more at an angle at first. But I mean, it's doing really well for what I wanted it to do. And then after you get some wood in here, it does a really good job of keeping that angle. It doesn't want to, like, push back and cause issues with your workflow. One thing I did notice down here, you can see it, because it's so cantilevered, off this end, I think that's the right word. It wants to move, and eventually, and you can even, it's starting to wear on the metal and the paint down here. So one thing you could do, you got this these washers, these HDPE washers, I believe that's what that is. You could get something down here to coat it, just wrap it, That way you kind of protect your investment over time, because eventually that's going to rub and potentially rust out. I really like the table. The table is awesome. It is adjustable, so you could, if you need a little bit higher, a little bit lower depending on your height, that works out really well. So I am excited about this. I think that we are going to actually purchase one of these. It's at the right price point. Last I looked, I think it's like $600 plus shipping, which is really great, a great entry level. If you're not, you don't need that electric wrapping machine, this is a great alternative to that. All right, that's going to do it for today's episode. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys. Hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't. I know we have more people that don't subscribe that watch than we do subscribers currently, which is awesome. Just ask if you guys like the content, consider hitting that subscribe button, click the notifications, because we are starting to do more live streams, both with flattening, and I want to start doing it with Firewood as well. So if you guys during the day, you're stuck at a 9-to-5 desk job and want to come out and hang out, kind of do the work lurk, we'll have that available, so you guys can just chill and hang out while we get some work done. But we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.